Hey Batul, I'm going to teach you simple steps of assembling your favorite ring light over to this tripod. Do you see this screw? So all your devices, all the extensible devices has to be fitted over this point. Okay. Now you will find the same extension along with this ring light, and the small piece that you see here is that extension. So you need to turn this clockwise on the tip of the tripod. 1 2 3 4. Now this is fitted properly. Get onto your ring light and just plug it in inside this. Now do you see this is quite shaky? So to stabilize this, you need to turn this knob. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah. Now this is tight. It will not shake. So this one you see, right? This is flexible. If you want to turn it to the left side, you can turn it. If you want to make your video in some angle, something like that, with the tripod you can do this, as well as you can turn it towards your right side. But the safe landing would be always when you place it in the middle. The reason is because of its dimension, because of its geometry. If it is tilted, the tripod and the heaviness may make it to fall. So it's always better to keep it straight. And this is the knob that you have to tighten so that it stays at its place. Alright, if you tighten this knob, you will not be able to turn it either towards the left or towards the right. Now this extension that you see, this is for your mobile camera. This is another extension that you have to fit. You will have a similar kind of a hole here. Alright, the brass hole. So inside that you have to fix your mobile holder. Turn it towards the right side. Always whenever you have to fix something, it has to be turned clockwise. Okay. So this is an extensible thing which can be bent also. It can be bent straight. You can tilt it to the 60° or the 90°, as well as the mobile holder that you see, it can be tilted horizontally as well as vertically. Now if you place the holder in this position, your mobile has to be placed vertically. Now if you want to make videos, just turn it around this way, and now you will be able to place your mobile horizontally. This is the right way of shooting any videos, if you place your mobile horizontally. There is a knob at the back of this holder. This one. This should be tightened always. Ensure that you tighten this one. Okay. Now your light is ready, and this is some of the tripod setting. This handle, if you loosen, you'll be able to bend it down and on the top. Okay. So ensure once you stabilize your tripod, this handle should be rotated clockwise. This is a way of tightening it. Alright. And there is another knob here. If you see here, there is a gap. This is the knob which holds your tripod stand. This also has to be tightened. And this knob that you see, which is exactly fitted at the point where all the legs join. Okay. This one, if you loosen up, it will allow you to raise your tripod. I'm not able to do it in one hand, but that's the setting to increase the length, increase the height of your stand. how to increase the height of the stand is through this. This is a setting. If you turn it, see, do you see here the jack coming out? Okay, and this is the maximum length that you can achieve through this stand. It's almost of my height. It goes up to 6 feet. So once you do this, this is the knob which will help you to secure the tripod. You have to tighten this one. Okay, now do you see this? Look at the length of your tripod. Good enough, fair enough. It's almost 6 feet height. If you want to lower it, just turn it towards your side. That will be anti-clockwise, and you can see the pipe getting inside. So this is the way of lowering your extension. Okay, make sure that you loosen this one first and then you do this, so that it will be easier for you to turn. After you lower the stand, just make sure that you tighten the knob once again to secure it. Alright, now the beauty of this light, what I'm going to do is, you see this? This is the switch for your favorite ring light. Switches have different modes. The one that you see here, plus is to increase the brightness of the light, and minus is to decrease the brightness of the light. This light has 3 modes. One is the blue light, and another one is warm light, and I don't know the name of the other one. There are basically 3 modes. How to transition between the modes is by pressing this, the middle one. The middle button is to transition the modes from the warm to the blue light or to the other light. And this one you know, right? Like, this is to turn on the light and to turn off the light. This is an USB enabled ring light, which means like you can plug it even to your power bank, it will still work, or you can even connect this one to your mobile charger. It's connected to the mobile charger, and this can be fixed to the plug point. See, it says dim, so I'm going to increase the brightness here by pressing on the plus. See here, look at the brightness. You can appreciate this brightness. I'm going to control this. Minus, 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 minus. Okay, it's almost dim now. If you want to brighten it, plus, 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 minus, minus. Alright, now to a different light. This is a warm light. I'm going to demonstrate you the brightness of this. See, it's good enough. Alright, now I'll transition it to another light. This is a blue light. I'm turning off the light now. Okay.